In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Shopify to N8n. We are going to do this by creating a custom app inside your Shopify admin and generating the access token that N8n will use to connect. This process is straightforward, but it is important to move carefully, especially when you reach the part where Shopify shows the token. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside, go to Settings, then open Apps and Sales Channels. This is where Shopify lets you manage integrations and app connections for your store. On that page, click Develop Apps. If this is your first time creating a custom app, Shopify may show a short message explaining what custom apps are. Continue until you can create a new one. Then click Create an App. You will now be asked to name the app. Enter N8n as the app name, and then click Create App. Giving it a clear name makes it easier to recognize later, especially if you create more integrations in the future. After the app is created, look for the option that says Configure Admin API Scopes and click it. This is the section where you define what the app is allowed to access in your Shopify store. Depending on what you plan to do in N8n, you will need to choose the appropriate permissions here. Take a moment to review the available scopes and enable the ones your workflow requires. This part matters because the connection will only be able to access the areas you authorize. Once you have selected the necessary scopes, click Save. After saving, go to the top of the page and click Install App. Shopify may ask you to confirm the installation. If it does, approve it so the app can be activated for your store. As soon as the app is installed, Shopify will display the Admin API Access Token. Copy this token and store it somewhere secure right away. Shopify only reveals this value once, so if you leave the page without saving it, you may need to generate a new one later. Treat it like a private credential because it gives access to your store data based on the permissions you selected. With that token copied, you have completed the Shopify side of the setup, and you are ready to use it when connecting Shopify inside N8n. That covers everything you need to know.